What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Back for another unboxing. This time it's my Play by Sephora box. It's actually been waiting for me to unbox for a few days. We've been away in Vegas having an amazing time. But this is the January 2018 box. And I actually got box number 036. And you tell that by going online to Sephora and sort of looking at the item number in your order. So it's the last three digits that tell you what box you're going to be. So I was box number 036, and let's get this thing open. Ooh, let's look at this. So always get this little sheet, the cheat sheet, a beautiful 2018, and looks like it's all about New Year's resolutions again, similar to my Ipsy bag. And then if you do get Sephora Play, always keep these. It's worth 50 points. So if you go in store and spend any amount, you can always get 50 points. And then points add up, and then you get to spend your points on like little deluxe sample sizes. So that's always fun. But looking at the bag, it's super cute. I love this blue. Happy You Year 2018. It's got the blue ribbon on it. It's really pretty actually. I really like this bag. Super cute. And if I didn't mention it, I don't think I did, it's Sephora Play is $10 a month, so it's not bad. You usually get a decent amount of, or 5 sample sizes plus a little bonus thing. It's usually a perfume sample, but I actually saw online that I think it's going to be something different, or it could be something different this month. So some boxes had perfume, some had, I think, hair things. So let's have a look at pulling out the first item. First item is by Ole Henriksen. Love this brand. Love the True Serum by this brand. It's, oh gosh, how do you say that? Hydra Clay Detox Mask. Ooh, this sounds really good. Apply a thick layer to clean skin, dry face and neck. Leave on 10 minutes. And follow with a serum. Or moisturizer of your choice. I'm excited to try this out. It's a nice decent size. Ole Henriksen. Hug. Somebody tell me how you pronounce that. Oh, it's not focusing. Yeah, somebody tell me how you pronounce it. Hug. I don't know. Hygge. It's an unusual one. First thing in the box. So, second thing in the bag. Let's have a look. Ooh. The Glam Glow Super Cleanse. I'm a big fan of Glam Glow products. So you love the face masks, and I don't have a cleanser by them though. I've never tried this is a supposed to go clearing cream to foam cleanser. Never tried that. I'm looking forward to trying that for sure. It's not gonna focus because my face is there, but yeah, Glam Glow. Thanks Sephora. Obviously I paid for this box with my own money. It's not a sponsored video or anything like that. Is this a perfume sample? No. This is the Lancome Super Enhancing Mascara Based Booster XL. So I think you put this on before you put mascara on, I'm guessing. Let's have a look at it. Oh, opening it the wrong way around, of course. So it's like a white, it's almost like a mascara primer. Nice little brush head though. Don't mind my nails, by the way. Just got back from Vegas, so they were beautiful during Vegas, but now they're needing a little love. So I'm excited to try that. I haven't ever tried a mascara primer before. I've got quite long eyelashes. I like my eyelashes. So usually just a bit of mascara goes a long way, but we'll see how much this affects the overall look. Moving on to the next item. So this is a hair thing, so I must have got one, not a perfume sample, which is sad. I really like getting the perfume samples. I love trying out different scents, and I feel like those little perfume samples usually last me ages, a long time. But this is a hair sample, so by Briogeo. That's how you say it, pronounce it. And it's a deep conditioning mask, so I'll definitely try it out. Despair Repair, must be a sort of repairing mask, which is pretty good because as you can tell, I've got very long hair and the ends sometimes can do with a little bit of love. It's probably ready for a cut really, but I'll definitely try this out. But it is hard. It's hard to tell whether this is great, you know, in one use like this, but we'll be trying that out for sure. And so the last, no, not the last item, second to last item I have in my Sephora Play is Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. It's a primer and a moisturizer in one. Oh, I'm excited to try this. This looks really cool. Oh, it's a tiny little sample though, but that's actually going to go a long way, isn't it? Let's have a look. So, this is what we got. Focus. Did it focus? I don't know. And Smashbox, yeah. I really like Smashbox products. This is going to be a fun one for me to try. We'll have a little feel and see. It does smell like primer. Ooh, get this on there. We'll have a little look. Ooh, it's very light. I really like that. Yeah, that's going to work really well. Like a base for sure. I'll be trying that one out. I'm excited I got that. Yay. It's always good when you get something you're pretty excited about. Okay, so my last thing in the bag is, ooh, something by Clinique. Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. I've heard wonders about this. It's supposed to be really, really nice. Good stuff. The Pep Start is sort of a different line that Clinique do, and I've tried some of the lip mask, and I really like that. But I haven't tried the eye cream, so this will be something that I look forward to trying as well. So everything's new in here. Let's have a look. I haven't tried before. Here's the eye cream. Yeah. Seems to apply very lightly. I like a more light cream, especially with eye cream. I don't like something heavy under my eyes. I like something that sinks in quite easily, absorbs really well, and this looks like it's going to do the job. Exciting. I can't wait to try these out. So that's everything. Sephora Play. Yeah, I think I'm pretty excited about this face mask. I'm a big face mask lover. And the primerizer is going to be fun to try out. Always need a good eye cream. We'll try that. I really like the Tarte eye cream that I use, the Maracuja, is that how you say it? I'm not quite sure. But Glam Glow, massive fan of Glam Glow. And yeah, the Lancome lash primer. This is a pretty good little bag. I'm excited. I think I did well. Oh yeah. The only thing I'm disappointed about is I didn't get my perfume sample, but that's okay. I'll try this hair mask out instead, or yeah, hair mask. Awesome. Well, that's my Sephora Play for January 2018. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this unboxing, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel below if you're not already. We'd love to see you again. I'm going to be doing more videos next month of Sephora and my Ipsy bag as well. If you get Ipsy, it's also $10 a month and it's worth checking out as well. I'll link it in the cards above and below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.